12:30. So 1:30 or so, high activity. 1:30 to 4:30, fish activity is really high. That's the tide chart today. Today is Saturday, May the 2nd. Ro's not here today. Just Jason and I. We're going after the Pacific Mama again. Right? It's between 1:30 and 4:30 today, according to the chart. This is my tide chart. Okay? If you guys use this tide chart, just go to Rio Vista tide chart and click on the one that says Tide Pro. Okay? That's the tide chart. People have been asking, who's been asking us, that's the one. And you click right here on the app, it gives you days, weeks, and month table. And also you can click on the calendar right here, and it'll let you select the day that you're gonna come out and fish and give you the tide. So, like I say, it's very important that you follow the tide chart. Okay? For successful fishing. But anyhow, if you haven't fish in the lake, we're here like 35 miles per hour, but not too crazy out. Man. Big water. I don't know, man, big old sweat. Jeez. Out there. Let's see who's out there today. Who is gonna be out there, huh?
I doubt it, man.
How many boaters gonna be out here? Who is crazy enough like us?
I say maybe two, one or two.
Who is crazy enough? Alright, I do see lambs. Lambs here. And the other vehicle, I do not know them. So there's one here with the red Jeep, Rubicon, Chevy. Oh, there's a guy again with the Subaru, yeah. Yeah, he's out here.
Kid, huh?
Yeah. 16 foot with the 70 horsepower Yamaha. Yep. There we go. That's them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boater, including us 5. That's it. Five crazy angler. All right, we're out. Heading out again. Yes. A weekend to look forward. Always. Which way are you going? I don't want to scare them. They fishing over there. Yeah, just go this way. No, that's too far. Remember, head faster. They're fishing though. Not being ready. You just gotta go slow. Yeah. Pretty. Oh, hell yeah. Good side too. Hell yeah, baby.
Bam.
Wham. Yes, yes. Chocolate bar. Candy bar, candy bar. Fucking all good side too. Oh man, I didn't bring my plier, dude. Got me a little plier. Where's the little plier? Fucking lot, dude. Wait, come right spot over here. I got my plier. Okay. That's one. Oh yeah, double red ear, man. Hell yeah. Red ear, boy. Good job. Yeah. Is that too small? Red ear? No. Throw it away. You only take red ear. Regular perch, throw it away. What you got? Tui. What's that? Tui. Regular. Huh? Regular we take. Hell yeah. That's nice right here. Oh yeah. Good.
Nope.
Spit.
Nope.
No. Red ear. A lot of red ear today. Is it red ear or regular? Take it.
Regular, man. Good size.
Take it.
Good size.
Yeah. Take that one. No, it's good size. Cooking today. Alright, we got steamed rice. And all that. Oh man, Imperial chicken, huh? Fuck man, that's expensive chicken right there. $15 for each chicken. We're steaming it. Eating good. Okay. Just hiding out from the wind. We're right here. I don't know what slough this is. There's the center pillar right there. The cement is. Try bait fishing. That one I got a shiner on. Just throwing it out. We're just hiding out so we can cook. And then we're gonna head out. We're gonna head out. Battle with the big mama. It's windy, so we'll see. We'll see.
I didn't take my medicine.
Oh man. What rod are we using today? Okay. What rod am I using today? This one's just a small one. A Corrado 200 GS. I mean, yeah, no, GG. I'm sorry. 200 GG. It's the iRod with that Kamania. This is for coastal. It's mainly for bass, but what the heck? It's striped bass, so I'm gonna use it. I was gonna throw some lure with it. What candy? Huh? What candy? And then this one. Yeah, right there. No. This one is Shimano Cardiff 400A. No. Okay. He's using that one. Then he brought this one. Hey, what is this yellow one right here? Saber or what?
That's old.
Oh, Saber. Yeah.
Old Saber.
Gold Saber, test 12 to 30, 7-footer. This one is a Dakota 300 with a power handle. It's a Lima glass, 15 to 30, and it's a 9-footer. Yep, 2-piece. Some of the gear that we're gonna be using today. Yep, and we got plenty of bait already. So we're waiting for everything to cook so we can get out there. Get our striper on. I got my cow rod. Oh. Now this is a seeker, my salties. Always gotta use bait runner. 4,500 is my preference. 4,500. We like 4,000, so we use mainly 4,000 to 6,000 out here for the bait runner.
Look like we're in the ocean, man. Oh, crazy. Dang.
See the swell? Oh. Whoa. Yeah, take it slow. There's like two boats. I don't know, 2 boats in our spot. Doesn't matter. We go tie up. Go slow on the inside, right? All right, they just landed one. It's the right tide, man. I wonder who's that over there, Bowman? No, that's some other guy over there. Oh, you got the bait. Nice, you got the bait. Good job. It's not a Rennell, 2 guys. Got the fish. There we go. Nice. 23 inch. We caught it here on our first spot. What's for bait? What was for bait? Okay. Right on. Okay, everyone is lining up at the Delta Rat spot. Oh shit. It's windy. It is windy, look at that. It is windy. It's got way, rough it up. Oh, that's the boat wave, huh? 2 boats. Yeah, cool, going too far. Alright, a windy day. We're still having a good meal. Alright. This is Imperial chicken. We steam it. I got the recipe from YouTube. And pretty much scallion, ginger, and garlic, and what do you call it? Olive oil, salt, pepper. This guy, he's eating good, yeah. He's eating good. All right. He's eating good. Got the bait out there. Okay. Say we got boats lining up on our spot here. Oh, that's cool. I'm glad everybody's out here trying to battle out the wave and catch a fish. All good. And we are fishing on the incoming tide right now. All right, this is what the plate looked like. Look at that, man. restaurant style chicken. Steam.
Did you put ginger in there?
Yeah.
Not much though.
Not a lot, man. Look at all the ginger right there. Got a whole bunch of ginger. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, salt, pepper, sugar. That's it. Better eat, man. I'm getting hungry. Getting hungry, folks. Mmm. The windsurfer, honey. Take a picture. All right, today's Sunday. Nobody's here because it's windy. Just my wife and I. Yesterday was windy as well. Only got one run yesterday, and it was just too hard to be out there. So I'm gonna see today. See, that's a boat in. You see that there's a sign right there. End of ramp. It's the red line right here. All right. Here we are. Out at our spot, the Delta Rat spot, Thule number 1. I got split tail, Thule red ear on the Phoenix rod. So it's windy, but it's manageable today. Yesterday was too crazy.
Not too bad. The water.
Yeah, it's nice there. So I'm fishing on the incoming tide. Where's the tide chart? Let's see what the tide looked like. Where's my phone? It's better to use my phone here, honey. Hold this. Let's see, where's my phone? Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, well, there goes the tie. It's not moving yet. There goes the tie. Right there. So we got here right on time. So I'm gonna sit here till what? 4:30? 4:30, 5 o'clock at most, 5 o'clock, and that's it. That's it. All right, today's a good day. Nice. I got all the bait here. Lots of bait. Oh, look at the bait. Chili red ear. Chili. Oh, chili. Red ear, red ear. That's all I'm taking. Alright. Should be good soon. Okay. Okay. This big boy right here got the biggest bait. Watch him run. Hurry. No. You gotta pull it. Boat line. Oh, the boat line. I think it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go, honey. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Lift it the other way. It's gonna go. The other way, the other way, the other way. Move. Yeah, that way. Okay. Now scoop it. Scoop it. Lift it up. There we go. That fish got so many chances. Oh, you're back? What? Remember I show you how to lift the net?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. It's not. Woo! Finally, huh?
Okay, good sign.
Oh, come on. My bait's still alive. My bait's still alive. I want it back. Here.
Hit your head.
Oh, my thing came off.
Well, you gotta cast it and tie it.
26 maybe. 25, 26. My guess. Oh shit, 28.
Oh.
Yeah, 28 inch. 28 in the half. 28. 28. 28. There you go. The spot. Get it on a split tail. Fat, big old belly. Okay. Don't bleed it. Here, honey.
Reel it in.
Yo, there's your rod here.
Hmm?
Here, reel it in. It's your rod, reel it in. Reel it, reel it, reel it. Reel it, don't, no, you let it loose. You let it loose. Put your rod, put your hand up here. Oh, it's gonna go, hurry. You gotta reel it.
I can't reel it.
You don't know how to reel it? Come on, it's your rod, it's spinning reel. Go. No, 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 no.
Oh.
Oh my God, come on. You gotta reel it.
Here, I can't reel it.
Oh my God. You do the big cast? You lose it already?
No, still there.
Oh, right there.
Still. Ah, baby.
Baby one. What? On a tully perch.
Baby, okay. Hey, okay. Look at the bait don't even fit his mouth. Châu mệt.
Nhiều nè.
Cái gì đấy mệt em ta nữa.
Oh. That was small. You want it? Bleeding. Oh. Want me to let go?
Mệt em.
I'm gonna measure how many inches. Alright, I let it go. I don't want to keep these. Something small. Here's a keeper. 20,
What?
21,
Oh.
20, 21, 21 inch.
Đấy, ngao chú. Chú. Tục sến à mày.
Nah, small. I don't want it. Too small. 21.
21. You
Smaller, I
make,
let go.
you make soup.
try this darn spot. Try it. Real quick. 5 feet of it. 5 feet. 5 feet. Okay. Damn well. Took it down. Oh my god. Man. That's a big one too. Got a big old tule perch. Is it red ear? Tule perch. No, big old red ear. And they hit right at the corner. Something's in my way.
Yeah.
I was eating, I look up, my rod bent. Well, I gotta get fresh bait. Try it again. Good.
Oh,
Which one?
nee.
Oh yes, 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 yes. Swim in and out of the lake. Should be able to get him. Damn, all right, been like crazy right now. Oh man. Oh my god. Another tule perch. Oh man. This one took it.
I always heard that.
It was bending. You didn't hook it.
I didn't see it. I was eating.
Oh, you're eating it. Oh my god, okay. Forget it, turn it off. Oh. Got it. Oh boy, 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 boy. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna hold him. Just time to go home too. Oh yes, head shaking. Oh wow. This on big tule perch. Oh, there it goes. Oh wow, what the heck? It's shaking hard. Oh wow, there it is. There it is, there it is. Right here, right here. Here it comes. Here it comes. There it comes, right here. Right here. Oh, there you go, there you go. It's big, big Pacific Mama. Look at that. Big. Real big one. Dumped him. Oh god.
Want me to do it or?
Oh yeah. Oh. Big ready. Oh boy. Big one. Oh, hella fight. Chụp với, chụp với, chụp với. Here, here. Oh, yes. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, good one. I lost. Whew. That was fun. How many you lost? Oh my God, here.
Oh, that's so fast.
Oh my God. This one is on. I almost lost it again. Pick the rod. I want to pick it up. So that, I think that was on a. Shoot, I'm trying to think. Right here, two perch.
Train slowing through the station, rain sliding down the glass. I saw you in the reflection just before the moment slipped. You turned away like nothing happened, like the night was just the same. Something in that second felt like someone called my name. Days kept moving like a river, crowds kept drifting through the streets. But every time the lights turned amber, I remembered how we met. Different corners, different evenings, different songs on passing cars. Still the same two silent glances, crossing